Thank you for choosing Binson's medical equipment and supplies for your sleep therapy needs. This video will explain how to set up your Respironics Dream Station and get it ready for use. Your machine will arrive preset to your prescribed pressure. Take your device out of its bag. First, connect the power supply to the back of the device. Then, plug it into a wall outlet. Included with your machine is the heated humidifier, so you can enjoy the benefits of humidification during your therapy. Remove the water tub by sliding the humidifier release latch towards the device and lift up to completely remove the water tub. Next, set the tub on a firm, flat surface and fill it to the maximum water level mark with distilled water. Carefully place the water tub inside the humidifier and close the humidifier lid until it snaps shut. Next, connect the air tubing. If your machine came with a flexible tube, simply connect it to the air outlet port on the top of the device. If it came with a heated tube, hold it by the cuff, line it up with the air outlet port, and push it until it clicks into place. Finally, attach your mask to the other end of the flexible or heated tubing. Your machine is now set up and ready to use. To start your therapy, put your mask on and push the start button on the top of the machine. Thanks again for choosing Binson's. Our respiratory therapists and highly trained staff are always there to assist you with any of your sleep therapy needs.